thinking कि why ma'am is not showing the second Carnatic War mind map, because you may have getting a doubt to do how to do the mind map and everything. So don't worry, in this video we are going to learn how to do a mind map, okay? And then in this video only I am damn sure कि you are going to understand the each and every topic of today's topic, that is second Carnatic War, okay? So without any delay, let's start it. So this is the mind map of yours. So you may have a look on this mind map. So this is the mind map that I have prepared for you, and you may have a look on it, how it look like, okay? And then I had made a 4 arrows with a different color so that we won't get confused over it, okay? So while you're doing through pencil, you may get confused, like from which you have to put first, second, third, okay? So that's the reason I thought to do like this. And while you're doing like that, so you can able to recognize, okay, this is the point from this arrow, this is the point from this arrow, and this is the point from the first. So it is the starting of the lesson, okay, or starting of the war, and then middle, okay, and then going to decision, and then conclusion. So this 4 is very important so that you may not get confused, okay? So I'll suggest you to make like this, or if you want to do in a separate way you can, but while doing you should know how to separate it, okay? You should know each and every point, okay, this is the point, that is the point, it will come from this, that. So that's very important, okay? I hope you understood the concept that what I am going to explain you now. So now we'll jump on to the explanation. So second Carnatic War, in your textbook they have given simple way ki how the war ended, okay? So how the war ended from this. So if we went through the textbook, so I think in this these 2 arrows is enough. Like these 2 arrows are enough, but I don't think these 2 arrows are enough. We should know the background, right? And we know the background and how it starts, okay, what made it to start, then who got succeeded, okay, and then reason or result of it, so that you may get an idea, okay, this is the things we should know about the Carnatic War, okay? So without any delay, let's move on. So yeah, we'll move on to the first arrow, that is Battle of Amber. This is the first point, I made it over here, okay? Battle of Amber. So here, what is Battle of Amber? So the Battle of Amber, it was started in 1748, okay? And during this battle, some important thing happened. What's that? Second point here I have written, killed Anwaruddin. And third point, Chanda Sahib, Nawab of Carnatic. So these are the 3 points in which you have to remember. So Battle of Amber, in the Battle of Amber, Anwaruddin was defeated and killed, okay, in this. So in this Battle of Amber. And as a result, as a result of Battle of Amber, Chanda Sahib, so here you can see Chanda Sahib became the Nawab of Carnatic, okay? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಬರ್ ನಡೀತು. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಡೀತು, 1748 ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ 1748 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಬರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅನ್ವರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಅವರು ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಹೀ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಸತ್ತೋದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರವರು, ಗುಡ್, ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅವರು ಏನಾದ್ರು, ನವಾಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ಆದ್ರು, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, okay? So we'll move on to the next point over here. So here, so Chanda Sahib got succeeded, right? So he have to give something to the Britishers, obviously. So if you are helping someone, so if you are taking someone help, so you are going to give a reward, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾದರೆ ನೀವೇನೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಹಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ he helped them. Who helped them? The French East India Company helped him. So that's the reason he gave something to him. What's this? So here you can see, so the French East India Company he grant of 80 villages around Pondicherry, okay? So here what happened, so Chanda Sahib rewarded the French East India Company like with 80 villages around Pondicherry, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ನವಾಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವನು ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ 80 ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ 80 ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಆ ವಿಲೇಜಸಲ್ಲಿ your wish, whatever you want you can do. So obviously they'll start their fort or they'll start their factory, so it's up to them. Okay, so this is the second point. Now we'll move on to the third point. So here Wallaja. So Wallaja yaru? Anwaruddin aur maga. Okay, Wallaja was a son of Anwaruddin. Okay, so don't get confused over here. So you should know who is Wallaja, who is Anwaruddin, everything you should know. Okay, so here Wallaja was the son of Anwaruddin. So Wallaja will come to the place of Anwaruddin obviously. So ಏನಾಯಿತು, Wallaja ಬಂದ ಅನ್ವರುದ್ದೀನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 battles of Tiruvadi. So the name of a battle, like 2 battles of Tiruvadi in the year of 1750. Okay, so in the year of 1750 the 2 battles was fought. So here what happened, Wallaja knows that his father was died, his father was killed by French East India Company. So he wanna save his life. Who? Wallaja. So Wallaja what did? He fled to Jinji. Okay. So Jinji is a place of a fort. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯಿತು, ವಲ್ಲಜ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಲ್ಲಜ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಲ್ಲಜ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇವ್ರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಜಿಂಜಿಗೆ ಫ್ಲೆಡ್ ಆದರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಯಾರು? ವಲ್ಲಜ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಜಿ ಏನು? ಜಿಂಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಜಿ ಇಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 80 kilometers ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್, ಆರ್ಕೋಟಿಂದ ಇದು 80 kilometers ದೂರ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಜಿಂಜಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ ಯು ಬಿಫೋರ್, ಸೊ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ ಫ್ಲೆಡ್ ಟು ಜಿಂಜಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಜಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಸೊ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಜಿಂಜಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಜಿಂಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಟ್ವಿಸ್ಟು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಬ್ರೇಕಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಬ್ರೇಕಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ this adjective, breakable adjective, here you can see over here. So this adjective goes to Jinji. So unbreakable means Jinji fort is known for its fortification and had earned the reputation of being unbreakable. So ಇದಕ್ಕೇನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ no one can able to break this. Which? Jinji. So that it helped him a lot. Jinji helped him, Wallaja helped him to save his life. So he was inside the Jinji and no one can able to break the fort because he had that much of power, and that Jinji was a most powerful place. Okay. It has high walls spanning 13 kilometers and spread around three hills. Okay, Jinji ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಹೈ ವಾಲ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು 3 ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಜಿಂಜಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 3 ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಜಿಂಜಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಜಿಂಜಿ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 1950. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಜಿಂಜಿನ 1950. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪನಿ ನಾಸಿರ್ ಜಂಗ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಓಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರು ಜಿಂಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಕೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ. ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, French East India Company had a upper hand over British East India Company. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ವರುದ್ದೀನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಅನ್ವರುದ್ದೀನ್, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ again they came and they started capturing the Muhammad Ali Khan Wallaja, but he saved his life because of this Jinji fort. Okay. And then, so because of that what happened, so they get to know okay, and then what happened, the French team captured. So French ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಿಂಜಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they can't able, the like Britishers, they doesn't have thing to do that. Okay, so now next, Nasir Jung killed by his own supporters 1750. Muzaffar Jung became king. Okay, so ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಸಿರ್ ಜಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನಾಸಿರ್ ಜಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಸತ್ತೋದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿ ಕಿಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕ್ದ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಬೈ ಓನ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಅವ್ರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕ್ದ್ರು ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 1750. And then after the Nasir Jung, who came? Yes, Muzaffar Jung became the king. Who is Muzaffar Jung? Anyone? Yes, he was the son of Asaf Jah first. Okay, now we'll move on to the next year. So here, when Muzaffar Jung became the king, again he want to give something, right? So British East India Company, they helped him, so he have to give something. So here what happened? He gave Musalipatnam 50 lakh to French East India Company and 20 lakh several jagirs to Duplex. So idu rewards. Okay, these are the rewards that Muzaffar Jung gave to Duplex. Okay, next point over here is Duplex was made honorary governor of Mughal dominions on the east coast from the rivers Krishna to Kanyakumari. So this is the main important point. So what happened here? Duplex was made honorary. So he was succeeding he's doing his own work. So he's like proving himself. So that's thing, he was made honorary governor of the Mughal dominions on east coast from river Krishna to Kanyakumari. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾಯಿತು, ಡುಪ್ಲೆಸ್ಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ full rights to do whatever he want, because he supported his like Indian rulers so that they can do their own best. So that's the thing, Duplex got succeeded. So these are the points from this column, so sorry, from this arrow. Okay, so here I had made so many points. So in this whole lesson, okay, so what in this whole Carnatic War, I created 30 points. Okay, so from that 30 points, I know when I used to do a mind map. So if I do like previously what I used to do, so that will take a huge time. So for if I am gonna do 30, if I have 30 points, so I have to do 2 mind maps, right? So I don't want to do like that. I want everything should be come in one page, so that whenever in your future or during your exam time or during you want to know about the thing, so that you can able to see this beautiful mind map. Okay dears, okay, now we'll move on to black arrow mark. So now next, after this happened, so next what happened? Danger. So next point, it starts with danger. To whom danger? Chanda Sahib. Why? Because Valla Jha was the son of Anwaruddin, right? So that's the reason Chanda Sahib was in a danger, and Valla Jha fled to the Tiruchinappalli. Okay, and then what happened? Muzaffar Jung was killed in the battle of Lakiridipalli Pass. Lakiridipalli Pass. Okay, so Muzaffar Jung was killed in the battle of Lakiridipalli Pass. Salabat Jung was made the Nizam of Hyderabad, son of Asaf Jah first, younger brother of Nasir Jung. Who was Salabat Jung? So Salabat Jung was made the Nizam of Hyderabad. Okay, so Salabat Jung ಅವರು ನಿಜಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಆದರು. ಆವಾಗ ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾರವರು? ಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸಫ್ ಜಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಯಂಗರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾಸಿರ್ ಜಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ is, so after Salabat Jung became the Nizam of Hyderabad, he granted something to them. What's that? So he like area in Andhra known as Tera Sarkar. Okay, so Mustafa Nagar, Ellore, Rajamundry, Chichola. So here this is the grant that he gave. Who? Salabat Jung. So he granted the French the area in Andhra known as Thera Sarkars. Okay, Mustafa Nagar, Ellora, Rajamundry and Chikole. Okay, and next here, both Valla Jha, British East India Company army, trapped inside the fort. So illenaitu like Valla Jha and British East India Company ಅವರು trapped inside the fort. ಮತ್ತೆ like reached Fort St. David. So here Robert Clive managed to escape from the Tiruchinappalli fort and reached what? And reached Fort St. David. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯಿತು, ಬೋತ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ಡ್ ಆಗೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸೊ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆದರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಟು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು, ಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೇವಿಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 4 points that I made, and not 4 points, that 4 arrows. So in that 4 arrows only I tried to make some important points so that it will help you. Okay, next, so to this next arrow we'll have a look. This is not the first point, my dears, so I'll read from here. Okay, so this is the next, so here the next point. So from here the first point will start. So looking for a way. Who is looking for a way? Anyone? Yes. Who? Robert Clive. So Robert Clive is looking for a way. So Robert Clive presented a plan. So Robert Clive, what he thought, so he escaped from the place, right? Which place that is? Yes, he tried to escape from the Tiruchirappalli, and then he came to which place? That is, yes, St. David. Okay, so here Robert Clive presented a plan in front of the senior officers of British East India Company. So Robert Clive mentioned, so here what happened, so Robert Clive ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಲೈಕ್ he is waiting for a way. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಲೈಕ್ ಇದು ವಲ್ಲಜನ ಸಾಯಿಸಾಕ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈವ್ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಲೈಕ್ ಹಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾರ ಮುಂದೆ? ಸೊ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, so he said Chanda Saheb had left Arcot inadequately defended, so he planned to capture Arcot with a small force. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಯಿತು, ಸೊ ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್. ಸೊ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇನ್ಅಡಿಕ್ವಲಿ ಡಿಫೆಂಡೆಡ್, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ನ ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಓಕೆ ಅಂದರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಲೈಕ್ ದೇ ಗಾಟ್ ವೇನ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು? 500 ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ 500 ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಕೋಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್, so this is the thing of the 500 soldiers, and then we'll have the siege was eventually lifted and the tables turned in April 1752. And then Wallaja, like here 1752, Chanda Saheb fled. So here you can see Chanda Saheb fled to Tanjore. Tanjore was the hometown of Chanda Saheb. Okay, and what happened there? Maratha army came and killed Chanda Saheb. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಚಂದಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ತಂಜಾವೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ತಂಜಾವೂರು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಹೋಮ್ ಟೌನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಮರಾಠ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮರಾಠ ಅವ್ರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಲ್ಲಜ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಿಕ್ ರೂಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, now we'll move on to the last but not least, the arrow. In the last arrow, if the points will start from here. I have mentioned x, right mark. Okay, so that it will help to me and for you as well. Okay, don't get sleepy. I know a lot of students are feeling sleepy, oh my god, how much, but it's very important, my dears. You have to learn this and you have to make a point. Okay, now here, so Dupleix attacked British team. 3 battles happened, that and then French commanders. So here what happened, so Dupleix attacks the French team. Okay, Dupleix attacks Fort St. David, but the attack by blocked by the British East India Company. Clive captured French. So illénagutte, so here Dupleix attacked French East India. So from here, okay, so Dupleix attacked St. David Fort, but blocked by British East India Company. Dupleix ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಓ ನಾನೇ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, so he'll go and he'll attack by the St. David Fort, but ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಕ್ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಟಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋವ್ಲೆಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ COVELONG, ಕೋವಿಲಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿನ್ಲಾಪೆಟ್, CHINLAPET, ಚಿನ್ಲಾಪೆಟ್ in the end of 1752. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈವ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ರಾಬರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈವ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ಗೆ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, Sorry. Then most important commander of the French East India Company. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಮೇನ್ ಕಮಾಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನೋ, ಸೊ ಎನಿವನ್, ಎಸ್, ಎಮ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್, ಎಮ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್, AMASTRUC. Okay, M Astruc was captured by the British team. Okay, this is a very bad news for Dupleix. Dupleix attacks British team, and then what happened? French commander. So they captured French commander. His name was, just a second, I will highlight so that it will help you. So his name was, here you can see. So his name was M Astruc. M Astruc. Okay, and then next we'll move on to the next point. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ನೀನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೋ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ his failures at Tiruchirappalli, okay, where his failure at Tiruchirappalli had fatally undermined his position. ಸೊ ತಿರುಚಿನಪಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಆಗೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡ್ಯೂಪ್ಲೆ ಹೂ ಕೇಮ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ Godayu, like Godayu. So M Godayu. So he came. Who came? M Godayu. When M Godayu came, so he was replaced by, like, who was replaced? Dupleix was replaced by M Godayu, who had ordered from the France to negotiate. Okay, so negotiate an end to the fighting. So ಇವನು ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಇವನು ಫೈಟ್ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು? ಎಮ್ ಗೋದೆಯು. ಇವನು ಬರೋದು, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಏನೇನು ಆಯಿತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ನಾವು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಏನದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ? ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಎಮ್ ಗೋದೆಯು. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ Jan 1755, a conditional peace treaty, the Treaty of Pondicherry. Okay, so the Treaty of Pondicherry was agreed with, officially ended the Second Carnatic War. Okay, so ಎಮ್ ಗೋದೆಯು ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರು ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಂಡಿಚೇರಿ. So this is the end of your video, and I have explained you the mind map. I know a lot of students are not sending the mind map. I don't know why, but I am not letting them, so they have to send me. And I am making this video so that you can able to help yourself and you can able to improve your quality. Okay, so it's not that much tough, so you can do your best. So I am showing it again and again so that you can able to work on your performance. Okay dears, if like one time if you can't able to do that, it's okay, next time you try. You know, for to make this mind map, like mostly I have taken 3 hours to make this mind map, to make important points, to jot down the important points and to explain you. So it's not an easy. I know you like you will get a time to make up mind, like to collect the points and each and everything. So that's the reason I am making a week, like I am making by myself the mind maps and I am sharing you so that time won't take from your side. So and you have to copy the each same thing and try to send it to me, and whenever I am going to ask to explain this point, you should be ready to explain it without any delay. Okay, so yeah, this is the end of your today's video. So till then, take care, keep learning and try to learn new things and try to learn about this. Okay dear, thank you.